Yo, you seen this new menu they put in the door? Somebody named Dottie's Kitchen. Yeah, man, I heard about that, man. People said this shit is crazy. Yo, this thing where every bite you take, you feel like grandma's back in the kitchen. I swear to God. Yo.
Hey, friend. And look, we're here to make us a ramen noodle bowl. We're going to make our own broth. And some of these ingredients you should have on hand. I sliced up some onions. You can use any kind. Some green onions, some scallions, whatever type of onions you have. White onions. I have, and I love ginger. So I diced up some ginger. And see, we got it all here in the bowl. So I let my avocado oil get hot. Add in those aromatics to get some flavor going. And I had some chicken breasts from the other night. And I sliced them up. They already cooked, flavor really good from the other night. So I'm going to add these also into the pot. And this is going to get all the flavor going and mixed all together. Probably did about 3 or so minutes. Three to 5 minutes. You just let it brown. Don't let overcook. Once that's all done, you're gonna take everything out and leave all the good scrapings down there and whatever vegetables that you have. I use my broccoli. I had a corn on the cob and I took the corn off, and I had some carrots, and you'll see the bok choy come into play a little later on. So we're gonna let this go ahead and pick up all those flavors from the bottom and mix it in and incorporate those flavors. I have the pot in the back where I'm gonna do the noodles only for 30 seconds. Between 30 to 60 seconds. You don't want the noodles to be too soft. So I'm gonna let the water boil up to par and then drop the noodles in there. I like it a little spicy, so I added this oil that I have that had red pepper flakes in them. It's really good, just a little bit. And I went ahead and let that marinate a little bit. I also add a little sesame oil because I love me a little sesame oil. It's really good. It just gives that Just need a couple of dabs. You see I'm already toward the end of the bottle. But don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I got more where that came from. Add a little soy sauce. Who's going to have ramen without soy sauce? Add some of that. And let it go. Just keep going and let it incorporate all those flavors for a little bit. Yum, 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 yum. Then I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to add about a cup of water. And I'm going to add in, you see my green onions. I added a slither of ginger in there and a garlic. And I let that come up to a boil for about 5-6 minutes. And I'm adding some bok choy. And I'm going to add the rest of my flavors in there. I had my eggs going in the air fryer. Y'all know about the air fryer with the eggs. Hard-boiled eggs, much easier, less mess, whatever have you. So this is going, and we're going to start to add some red pepper flakes in there. Turn up the heat just a little bit. I add some chicken bouillon also in there. We want to flavor up that broth. Now you'll see me add in the noodles. You see I cooked it, al dente, as they say. You don't want to overcook them if you don't want them soggy. And then I'm going to start to build it up with the rest of the flavors and the broccoli and the corn and the carrots and all those other good flavors. I'm going to start to build them up right in there. I probably could have used a little less water, but listen, it's good. It's very flavorful, so I wasn't worried about that. So I'm putting all the things in there, building it. They usually, make it really, really pretty, but I didn't have that much time for that. I was a little bit hungry. So I was like, scoot, scoot, scoot in the pot now. And here's a quick photo of the ingredients that I used. Have a good one. Enjoy.